Hi guys. Last week we talked about trimming and I said that was your first big boy tool towards thinking outside the box. By eliminating a component... Hold on. Okay. As I was saying, by eliminating a component, you make your... Hold on. Hello? Mr. President. Yes, Mr. I gotta take this. Yes, Mr. President. Yeah, the box. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. The box is here. Yes. Yes, the box is very important. Yes, sir. I'll talk about the box. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. President. The box. Yeah. Let's talk about the box. Functional analysis and modeling helps create the box. It clearly helps us define the framework of our system, what is working, and more importantly, what isn't working so well in the system. It shows you where the box is weakest and where you might be able to strengthen it. The ABCs for trimming give you the scaffold to allow you to climb outside of the box. You remember the ABCs, right? The first rule, or A rule, says, not those ABCs. Rule A says a component can be trimmed if the object of a given function is eliminated from the system. You don't need the function anymore because the object of the function no longer exists. Here's an example. A garden hose directs water to feed the grass. The owner replaces his grass with a synthetic lawn. If we apply Rule A, we don't need the function to feed the grass anymore, which allows us to trim the water. Furthermore, eliminating the water allows us to trim the function of directs from the hose, and subsequently the hose itself. Rule B says,
hey, you're adorable.
No, it's not those ABCs
so
either.
Beautiful.
Rule B says a component can be trimmed if the object of the function performs the function itself. Staying with our grass theme, our system is now a mower that cuts the grass. If we can create a grass that essentially cuts itself, what do you think happens to the mower when we apply Rule B? And Rule C says, good. Rule C says that
A is for aisle, B
outta
is
here.
for
It's your show
delium,
now.
C is for czar, and if you see him, would you mind telling him?
A component, such as Rick, can be replaced by a component, such as Dave, if the functionality of the old component is replaced by the new component. More formally, trimming Rule C states that a component can be trimmed from an engineering system if its function is replaced by another existing component in the engineering system or a new component to the engineering system. Specific to the semiconductor industry, this can be exemplified by the consolidation of more and more functionality into the microprocessor. As an example, once the microprocessor took on the function of graphics processing, then the graphics card was trimmed from the computing platform, thus reducing cost, complexity, and potential failure points.
A is for aisle, B is for delium, C is for czar, and if you see him, would you mind telling him?
Okay, hang on a second. You got aisle,
Yeah,
delium,
aisle like a theater.